So, for our listeners who've just joined, I just want to once again mention that with us we have Aditi Nair, who's India's youngest rapper. I'm excited to host her. This is Seven Speak Show. For the benefit of our listeners, I'm going to be asking questions not only in English but also in Hindi. So, अदिति सेवन जो प्लेटफॉर्म है वो स्कूल रिव्यू प्लेटफॉर्म है। हम चाहते हैं कि बहुत आसान हो जाए लोगों के लिए स्कूल चूज करना। सही स्कूल को चूज करना एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है लोगों के लिए। पेरेंट्स आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाते इन स्कूल्स के बारे में, स्कूल्स के पास्ट रिजल्ट्स क्या हैं, वहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स कितना अच्छा कर रहे हैं। पेरेंट्स व्हेन दे आर शिफ्टिंग बिटवीन सिटीज, उनके पास करेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन भी नहीं होती है। सो ये सारी चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हुए सेवन की शुरुआत की गई थी आज से कुछ साल पहले। एंड आई एम ग्लैड टू से दैट वी हैव मेनी schools who are now using our portal, and there are more than 5,000 parents who have already registered, and they are writing reviews every day. So I would encourage all the parents, if they are seeking information to find out the best schools, uh, we are here to help, and keep writing reviews on schools. Uh, the idea is to showcase the best practices of the school so that any information about the school which is missing should be passed on to uh, another parent. So, welcome back, Aditi. Again, as I said, you have given us some good introduction about you, that you rap in Hindi, English, Malayali, and Spanish. मुझे एक बात बताइए अदिति, आपके हाई स्कूल ग्रेडर्स को ये बोला जाता है कि आप अपना पैशन साइड में रख दो और बुक्स पे ध्यान दो। व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से ऑन दिस?
Like, if the child is really interested in learning that particular subject, then we have no issues. The child is actually very interested, so it is not a burden for him to learn that. So when like, if the child is not very much interested in studying that, and he wants another subject to be learned, and he is like pressurized in that, he'll feel very anxious, and he'll like be very stressed out, and he'll fall into depression. And that's the main reason nowadays all like children are into depression and all. So that's the reason. Yeah.
So
So
there is no such pressure from your parents. They are open. They were open minded from the beginning to help you with your
yes,
passion.
from the beginning, yes, my parents, my whole family are very open minded. They never used to pressurize me with anything. They're like always support me whatever I'm up to. Like, if it's with music, they're like, okay, Aditi, with music, okay, you don't need to be stressed out, just calm down, do your work, we'll be we'll be the backbone for you, there's no worry for you. And they'll say like the very sweetest sentences, and I feel very happy about that, so I don't feel pressurized at all. And even my friends say your mom is the coolest mom, and I want your mom as my mom. And I was like, no, I won't give you that.
So it would be probably true to some extent to say that most parents in India, at least, they want their children to be always surrounded by books, to be always scoring high marks. Perhaps that's not the idea. The idea is to let them choose their passion. This is all this show is all about. We जितने भी parents इस रिकॉर्डिंग को सुनेंगे बाद में यूट्यूब चैनल पे भी होगी ये रिकॉर्डिंग हमारी, और अभी जो लाइव सुन रहे हैं, मैं इनकरेज करूंगा कि उनके बच्चों को जो भी चीज जो भी उनका टैलेंट है उसमें उनको सपोर्ट करें. The idea is Seven is going to help these children to find or the talent to be nurtured by the professionals. This is what is going to be the second phase of Seven is going to be. Seven is a startup, as I said. It's a school review platform. It's an education network to bridge the gap between students, schools, parents, and teachers. So this show, as I said, at least आज का show बच्चों के लिए है और पेरेंट्स के लिए बताने के लिए कि सही पैशन अगर आपके बच्चों के बीच है तो उसको आप कैसे नर्चर करें. So through this interesting journey, short span of time, who have been your key handholders?
First is God. So without God's grace, nothing would happen. So, and I feel that God has given a little bit of his part to my mother, because my mother is also my God.
Okay.
And so
I
she
mean,
supports me a lot. Then my family members, my school principals, teachers, and my friends, students, everyone, they're very supportive. Even if I like even if I'm very down, they're like, don't worry, we'll help you out, it's all right. So they're like that. I never feel down because of them.
आपके स्कूल से कौन-कौन सपोर्टिव है आपके इस पैशन को लेके?
My principals are Mr. Kumara Mohanji, then my teachers, everyone, then my friends, then my juniors as well. My juniors are my biggest fans, I can say, because they listen to my songs all the time, and they're like, Aditi Didi, I have listened to this song and I loved it, and I feel very positive about it.
All right. No, I'm sure when I was a kid, I'm sure such hand holdings were given. But, I mean, the times have changed now, and I'm glad that they are changing in favor of, the parents are now becoming more open minded.
Hmm. Yeah.
So, as you mentioned, your principal sir has been supportive. Apart from him, how supportive your overall school or the entire process of nurturing your talent? How have I'm sure when you started learning this rapping and when you moved on to next grades and of course over the years, did you contact professional peoples? How people who can help you?
No, actually, first of all, I would like to say that school is my second home, and I love my school very much. And I would never miss a day. Like, I would never miss a day to go to school. And they're very supportive. They give me ample opportunities to present my skills. And especially, I'm in Kendra Vidyalaya, so they equally give importance to studies as well as the skills. So
Okay.
we have many of our students in our school who are very much interested in directing films. They write books, many more, so they all are very much supported by the school. So I feel very happy and very proud of my school. I'm very proud of my school.
Uh,
And about the outer achievements, it's like I have never gone to them. I got all the opportunities from my YouTube channel. All the others have viewed my YouTube channel, my Instagram page, and about the talents and all. And after that, they contact my mom. Then that's how I got all these opportunities.
ओके, साउंड इंटरेस्टिंग। कितने फॉलोअर्स हैं तुम्हारे यूट्यूब पे?
YouTube
इंस्टाग्राम पे follow?
recently, yeah, recently I've hit 1.5k subscribers in YouTube, and Instagram 3.4k.
Okay, which is good. Which is good. You're growing. I mean, I'm sure you're better than me. I just have few hundred followers. um, I so I'll tell you the idea of how kids profiling or the portfolio is important because when we realized parents when they seek admission in school they always want to check out what are the aspects of the school on which they want to select a school. And many parents they have when we surveyed more than 2,900 parents in Gurgaon, so they actually told us that they also want a portal where they can create profile of their students so that the school should also know that my child is good in such and so things, and therefore it is important for school also to understand that my child is not ordinary child, and he or she deserves a good school. And that's how we came up with the idea that हमारी सोशल लाइफ के लिए तो हमारे पास फेसबुक है और एडल्ट्स के लिए प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के लिए लिंक्डइन है, बट ऐसा कोई भी पोर्टल नहीं है जहाँ पे हम स्टूडेंट्स की प्रोफाइल बना सकते हैं. इट
Because
इज
they're
इम्पोर्टेंट.
minors, so they can't be projected that much.
करेक्ट. सो इसीलिए बहुत ज़रूरी था कि हम चाहें हम बच्चों को हेल्प करें कि वो अपनी अर्ली एज से एक प्रोफाइल बनाएं। ऑफ कोर्स द लीगल एज इन इंडिया इज टू मेक अ प्रोफाइल इज 13 years। तो अगर आप 13 साल या 14 साल जब आप कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद आप अपनी अचीवमेंट्स को नोटिफाई करना शुरू कर दें। एक उसकी डिजिटल मेमोरी बनाना शुरू कर दें, क्योंकि जब आप नेक्स्ट आगे कोई स्कूल ढूंढते हैं या कोई कॉलेज ढूंढते हैं, तो इट इज सो सिंपल फॉर यू टू जस्ट कॉपी the URL and send it to the university. See, this is what I've been doing. You don't need to
Hmm.
create an entire CV. So this is what you have to make up your career, and not just the universities who can give you formal education of degrees and probably courses that are asked in the corporate world, but also degrees and courses which are related to art, like you're doing. It's a performing art, and that's the reason we want children like you should be identified by the right institutions, right organizations, so that you also get good formal education. And I mean, the path is more clear. uh, my
I
next question
found
to
I
you,
found Seven Speak as a very useful website for kids, everyone. Because in India, the main problem is that the youngsters sometimes get ignored, and they will like, after you become 18, you can do anything. You'll be famous. Don't worry about that. You'll reach
correct,
your heights. But from the young age only, we'll be able to achieve our heights. And that's the most important thing.
right, you rightly said it is important that at the right age students should be guided and they should be allowed to do what they want to do, because the interest gets killed.
Yes.
So it's time for some fun. I want you to do some rapping for our audience. If you can tell us, what would you like to rap today?
Oh, it's like a fastest rap. The song name is Homicide by Logic and Eminem. So
Okay.
I'm going to play it right now. So this
What's up, people? This is Rock here. I'm from India.
Kerala, Southside. Fuck rap, I like an addict with a semi-automatic, would've had it ready for anybody to fuck rap. Would've get you wild, been away and heavy, living nobody alive, living suicide, no fuck rap. I've been feeling willing to killing this, come up in your mind and the lady and even the baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicka, too shady for bravest. I'm coming into mine, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, I know that I'm a bot. And the day you just trust me, cause I don't single one of them motherfuckers impress me. And maybe there's a little bit of in a situation, but I'm full of innovation. I'm tired of us old school, high school, these now rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? Noticing in this to the game, it's a rap to the flame. Nowadays, everybody's on the same this flame. I come out to the flame, I'm real and I'm a killer. Man, I feel it, this man, I'm feeling myself. Yeah, baby boy, hit the feeling that stuff. My body's not there when you look from my head. When I rap that dance, do I sound like shit? Well, it don't really matter cause I'm killing this shit. Yeah, I'm killing this shit. Oh yeah, I'm killing this shit. Baby, how many times you been killing this shit? Find out the rhyme, goddamn nigga shit. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Would've had it any ready for anybody to fuck about. Heard a kitchen wild, been away and heavy, living nobody alive. Living to the side, no fuck out. Bobby Billy willing to kill him. This a coming in your mind and the baby and even the baby. I'm feeling like I'm shady. There's nowhere to hide. We cut this shit genocide. Hit him with that do and it died. We gonna get crucified. We cut this shit genocide. I got bitches, I got hoes, I got red designer clothes. Know when you're fucking with that. Yeah, there's a time and a place. But if you wanna do it, to rock. Yeah, they step the greatest line. They don't listen down. They do not do that. No, no, oh no, no, please do not do that. You go get smacked. You go get Bobby with hack. You go get Bobby with smack. You go get Bobby with smack. Bobby boy, fuck rap. Bustle like a daddy with a semi-automatic. Would've had it any ready for anybody to fuck about. Put a kitchen wild and away and heavy, living nobody alive. Living suicide, no fuck out. Bobby Billy willing as a kid. There's a come on your mind and a lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm too shady. So
Great,
it's like
great,
the toughest
great.
one. It goes like
You just did it.
thank you so much, sir. I've prepared a lot of programs. Like I've got a lot of songs, and
Mhm.
that's up to you to select. got different languages as well.
सो अदिति, कैसा लगता है जब हम अपने पैशन को फॉलो कर रहे हैं और लोग भी बहुत सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, अंदर से खुशी मिलती है, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ अननेसेसरी एग्रेशन, स्ट्रेस, पढ़ाई का स्ट्रेस, ये सब खत्म हो जाता है। एंड आई एम श्योर आपकी पढ़ाई भी बहुत आसानी से करते होगे आप, क्योंकि यू आर अलाउड टू फॉलो योर पैशन। ऐसा होगा कुछ?
Huh, sir. Like, I'm not being pressurized either for like music, neither for music or studies. So it's going in a balanced way. And सारे लोग ऐसे पूछते हैं कि how are you managing the time? And I'm like, my mother. My mother is a very meticulous person, and she is like an alarm clock to me. Like, she's a reminder for me, and she's like, do this, do that. Okay, have you done that? Okay, that's fine. And that's a reminder for me, and that doesn't nag me, or it doesn't even make me pressurized, so it's fine.
I'm glad to hear that. Mothers always have a very important role to play, and
Yes,
not
sir.
only
She doesn't even allow me to
value.
stay up till late night. She's like 10 o'clock, okay. Even if she's sleeping and I have some urgent work to do, she's like 10 o'clock, it's time to sleep. And then she sleeps off. And after 5 minutes, even if I'm sitting like, if I didn't listen to her, after 5 minutes, she'll still wake up and remind me again, it's time for you to sleep. So she's very meticulous.
Yeah, discipline is important.
Yes.
I mean, it is important. It adds a lot of value to what you're doing. So I've been told that you're not just a rapper, you're also a cartoonist, you're also a comic writer. So do you do a storyboard before dubbing the characters? I've been told that you do a voiceover as well.
Yes, sir. I've done 53 voice dubbings of cartoon characters. So,
Whoa.
about the storyboard, I sometimes only write the storyboard. Otherwise, I'm like, okay, I'm a very imaginative person. I've got so much creativeness inside me, and I'm like, okay, I scribble down something, and the rest of the story flows through my hands. So there's no problem for me to just think about the storyboard. So I continuously keep on writing, and then at the end the story might be perfect. So at times only I think about the storyboard. If my mom wants it to be like very professional kind, not kiddish, and very professional kind, so I'll think about the storyboard.
Okay. So, by the way, would you like to share something with our viewers, the books and the comments which are written by you?
Sure, sir. Like, I'm very disappointed that I couldn't publish it, because I tried to publish it in Penguin Publishers and all. So this was written, like, this is a comic done by me when I was 12 or something. Yeah. This
Oh,
is a funny kind of comic, and it has stories about mosquitoes and their kingdoms, mosquito kingdom and stuff.
who created that
And the
name?
other one, mosquitoes are really irritant. So I wrote a book,
Very creative.
Gross.
Okay.
The title is Gross, and I finished till chapter 4, but then I stopped writing, as I was a bit disappointed about not getting it published. So I was like, okay, I'm not going to write it. Then I'm thinking to write it again, as I hope I may get something to publish it to. So waiting.
I hope this video gets viral. I hope some good publishers find you or find interest in your work, and God bless you with all the
Thank you,
uh,
sir.
aspirations or the achievements what you want to do in life. So I'm sure all the viewers would be very amazed hearing you and speaking you in different accents and making voices of cartoon characters. If you could demonstrate one of it now.
Sure, sir. First, I'll be doing voiceovers. So I've made a list here. I'll get confused because I have a hell lot to say. So it's like, first one is Shinchan. कीकू आंटी क्या कर रहे हो? मेरी मॉम सेल पे शॉपिंग करती है. ईरू आई. So the next one is Dory from, it's a Hollywood movie. It's like, Dory? Yes. Dory? Yes. Dory, you and I were friends. No. And the other one is very famous. It's Hattori. डिंग 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 डिंग। हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है निंजा हथौड़ी। डिंग 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 डिंग। And so next up is Pikachu from Pokemon. Pikachu, Pikachu, Pikachu. So
अब
after that, yes sir.
हम सिंह कितना टैलेंट है छोटे छोटे बच्चों में। मैं बहुत बच्चों से मिला हूँ ऐसे जो बहुत ज्यादा वॉइस ओवर भी करते हैं और अलग अलग चैनल्स पे उनको इनवाइट किया जाता है। आवर कंट्री इज फुल ऑफ टैलेंट। वी आर वन ऑफ द
Yes,
यंगेस्ट
sir. But
नेशन।
yes, sir. But the youngsters are always getting ignored. That's the reason why they're not able to like reach where they want to be, like where they are to be.
नहीं, देखिए, सेवन स्पीक जो शो है वो इसी बारे में है। वी वांट
हाँ sir.
मोर स्टूडेंट्स टू बी हियर ऑन बोर्ड। वी वांट मोर पेरेंट्स टू क्रिएट प्रोफाइल एट सेवन। वी वांट more parents to write reviews on school. We want schools to identify students for themselves.
Yes, sir.
Let's bridge this gap. India is a great country. ज्यादातर लोग मेरे बैच के जो हैं वो पढ़ाई उन्होंने की और बाहर जाके सेटल हो जाते हैं। अब
वही sir. And then like we need to go outside. We need to go to any foreign school to achieve our dreams. No, we can also make it in India itself because we just need to change the thinking. That's it.
करेक्ट। कोशिश यही है कि हमारी छोटी छोटी चीजें अगर हेल्प कर सकें हमारी कंट्री के आने वाली फ्यूचर जनरेशन को। इतना टैलेंट है हमारी कंट्री में और people like you when they are on show, I mean it's a great achievement for them. अदिति, क्या बोलना चाहोगी अपनी एज के बच्चों को? कोई मैसेज है जो तुम देना चाहती हो? Something can help them to identify their passion and follow their passion.
I would always like to say that even if they are feeling down or something, they just need to keep that hope inside them that yes, they'll reach their goals someday at some point, even though nobody understands them. Still, just keep a hope that they'll reach that, because that hope is the thing which makes their life much better. We
Correct.
don't need to we don't need to think of any others expectation, because others like expect too much from us and we keep up to their expectations and we fail, and if we fail we feel very sad. So it's better to not reach up to their expectations and be ourselves, so that we can keep that hope inside us and make us much more happier than before. So
Correct.
that's just what I want to say.
मैं जब स्कूल में होता था तो हर कोई इंजीनियर और डॉक्टर बनना चाहता था। सिर्फ दो ही तरीके के अच्छे करियर
वही sir.
अपॉर्चुनिटीज होती।
all the time students are like, I want to be a doctor, I want to be an engineer, and I was like, I want to be an artist, and everyone was like so I can't say anything. I was like, there is nothing like you should only take science, maths, nothing like that. If you're interested, much more interested in that, it's okay, but if you're being forced to take it, it's a burden. That's it.
नहीं, क्योंकि अब इतनी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, इतना कुछ है करने के लिए। द लिस्ट इज एंडलेस। अच्छे बेकर्स हैं, शेफ्स हैं हमारी कंट्री में। बच्चे कितना कुछ कर रहे हैं और कोई अच्छा गोल्फ खेलता है, कोई बैडमिंटन में आगे बढ़ना चाहता है। क्रिकेट हैज बीन अ रिलीजन इन आवर इंडिया, इन आवर ऐसा ही माना जाता है। सो you are probably, as I said, you are the first youngest guest on this show, and you are leading it now. And after you, we
Feeling
are
very proud and happy.
we are promising our audience that we are going to bring a lot of people on this show to encourage parents, to encourage students, so that they can follow their passion. पेरेंट्स के लिए क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगी अदिति? बच्चों को तो तुमने मैसेज दिया, पेरेंट्स के लिए क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगी?
To parents, it's like I hope that every parent supports their child and show them the right path. Like always, parents show them the right path itself, but just don't give burden to them, and don't take their phones away. Parents always feel that taking kids' phone away makes them like much more happier, because in this time in corona COVID condition, kids are only able to talk to their best friends, the ones whom they can open up to, like through phones only they can talk. They can't reach up to them through the, like to the houses and all. So it's better not to snatch away the phone because it makes them more depressed. And about education, it's that the child has separate life, the parent has a separate life, so it's the
Right.
child's life and the child's choice. So they should not force them to take what the parents want.
Right.
So yes sir.
I'm sure इस शो का मैसेज ही यही है कि हम अपने यंगर आने वाली जनरेशन को अलाउ कर सकें कि वो एक अच्छा करियर चुनें, एक अच्छा अपने पैशन को फॉलो करें। सेवन स्पीक इसी बारे में है। मैं कुछ पेरेंट्स को बताना चाहूँगा कि www.7.in sev7n.in एक पोर्टल है जिसमें आप सही स्कूल चूज़ कर सकते हैं और अपने बच्चों की जाके प्रोफाइल बना सकते हैं। जितना ज़्यादा आप डिजिटल मेमोरी क्रिएट करेंगे अपने बच्चों की अचीवमेंट्स की, और सिर्फ एकेडमिक पोर्टल या एकेडमिक अचीवमेंट्स नहीं, और भी अचीवमेंट्स, जैसे आपकी अपनी एक प्रोफाइल है। एंड देयरफॉर वी आर एनकरेजिंग दैट इफ दिस इज डन बाय एवरी पेरेंट, ग्रेजुअली बहुत जल्दी ऐसा दिन आएगा जब हम इन बच्चों को हेल्प कर सकते हैं कि वो सही अपने अपने टैलेंट को सही इंस्टीट्यूशन या सही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन द्वारा उनको जोड़ा जा सके और उनके टैलेंट को
Yes.
नर्चर किया जाए ताकि वो एक प्रोफेशनल करियर में कन्वर्ट हो सके।
Yes
Aditi,
sir.
I very much thank you on on behalf of everyone who's in our team. Uh, you've taken out time and you are here on this show. I'm glad.
Thank you so much sir.
God bless you, and I'm sure you will continue to do well. And may God give you everything what you want in this one life.
Thank you so much sir.
All right. It was
Yes.
lovely having you on this show today. All the best.
I would like to say something before that. So yeah, I wrote it, so I'm gonna read it right now. I prepared
Do
it.
that.
So before we wind up, thank you
Yes.
so much for patiently listening to me. I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Shelly Valeja, an international baccalaureate veteran and the founder director of Seven, for the wonderful platform provided to Wonder Kids. Thank you, sir. You know, when I talked to you, Shelly sir, over the phone today morning, your voice was sounding so familiar to me. Later, you told me that he was given a voiceover for the National Geographic channel, a channel I was always very fond of. I was really surprised. It was wonderful talking to you, sir. Thank you, sir. Actually, I wouldn't have been here today with you all if I had not got a call from Dr. Sukanya Pal, international bachelorette educator in Seven. That day and that moment when she called us to invite me to the wonderful platform was a very thrilling moment for me. It will be always in my memories, ma'am. She is a wonderful person to talk to, and thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I mean, she and everyone in the team, we have been working very, very hard to help all the parents and all these students so that they can come on board, create their profile on Seven, and let's make education better in this country.
Yes.
That's the point.
Yes, sir.
कुछ और रैप सुनाओगे जाने से पहले एक लास्ट?
Sir, rap or accents? I've been preparing accents for that.
Okay, accents.
Okay, so accents is a bit different. So it's like American accent is like, I ate the chocolate, but I kept it in freezer because it was melting. So I have to keep it in freezer and I have to be very patient about it because, it is like that. And next is British accent. So this is about Hermione Granger from Harry Potter. Now, if you two don't mind, I'm going to bed before either of you come up with another clever idea to get us killed, or worse, expelled. Stop! You're going to take someone's eyes out. Besides, you're saying it wrong. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa. And the next one is Cantonese accent. Okay, so this is my Cantonese accent. I don't know how Cantonese people speak, but still I learned it from YouTube. So this is how they speak. So the next one is French friends, it's like, bonjour, como se ver? May I know where that cafe and shop is located in? And the next one is Spanish. Hola, mi amo Aditi, mucho gusto. Can I get a Mexicano taco? Please, no hablo inglés. And the next one is Italian accent. Italian accent is like, can I get the ice from the freezer? And when the two look like a pata-boom, and then over, it is over. And the next one is Indian accent. Indian accent is like how I speak right now. And we've got South Indian accent that is like, Ayo Kanna, put that more in the fridge, please. I took the chocolate from the fridge. It is very, very frozen, so I can't take much more bite from it. My throat hurts. So I know at least like 16 accents, but I wrote 7 accents here. So,
Yeah, 7 resonates with us. Very well.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Like-
Thank you so much. It was all pleasure to have you here. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for
Before we
inviting
go,
me.
I want to thank everyone who may have come live and
Yes, sir.
saw our show. And
Yes, sir. All my well wishers, my school principals, Mr. Kumar, Kumar Mohanji, and my teachers, my family relatives, and all my friends from my school, and all the viewers for giving a valuable time.
yeah, same here. Thank you for coming on Facebook and maybe spreading around the message, sharing the post. I hope when this video is uploaded on Facebook again, they spread around the word. They encourage their children to make profile at 7. They encourage their children to let them follow their passion. That's the whole idea.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you.
So much. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.